Vision is one of the most powerful senses humans possess. From the moment you open your eyes in the morning, you rely on them to understand the world around you. Yet very few people ever stop to ask a simple question: what is really happening inside your eye? Today, we take you on an extraordinary journey. A journey into a hidden world. A world of light, precision, and science. This is the story of the human eye, and how modern eye surgery restores vision. As we move closer, the eye appears smooth and silent, but beneath its surface, it is constantly working. Light first enters through the cornea, the clear outer layer of the eye. This structure acts as both a shield and a powerful lens, bending light toward the center. Next, the light passes through the pupil. The pupil automatically adjusts its size, opening wide in darkness and shrinking in bright light. This precise control protects the eye and helps maintain clear vision in changing environments. Just behind the pupil sits the lens. This small, flexible structure changes shape every time you focus. Whether you're reading, driving, or recognizing a face, the lens is constantly adjusting. Without it, clear vision would be impossible. Deep inside the eye lies the retina. This thin, fragile layer contains millions of light-sensitive cells. When light strikes the retina, it is transformed into electrical signals. These signals travel through the optic nerve, directly to the brain. And in less than a second, your brain creates the image you see. This process is incredibly fast, but it is also extremely delicate. Even a small change in the eye's shape can cause vision problems. If the eye is too long or too short, light fails to focus correctly. This results in nearsightedness or farsightedness. If the cornea is uneven, vision becomes distorted, a condition called astigmatism. Over time, the lens itself can become cloudy. Colors fade, details disappear, the world slowly loses its sharpness. This condition is known as a cataract. For millions of people, these changes affect daily life. Reading becomes difficult, driving at night becomes dangerous. Simple tasks turn into constant challenges. This is where modern eye surgery begins. Before any procedure takes place, doctors examine the eye in extraordinary detail. Advanced imaging technology maps every curve and surface, the thickness of the cornea, the shape of the lens, the exact structure of the eye. Nothing is left to chance. One of the most advanced treatments available today is laser eye surgery, commonly known as LASIK. In this procedure, a computer-guided laser reshapes the cornea with microscopic precision. This correction allows light to focus properly on the retina. The laser moves faster than the human eye can track. There are no stitches, minimal discomfort, and in many cases, the procedure takes only minutes. For patients, the results can feel almost immediate. Blurry vision sharpens, details return, the world comes back into focus. Another life-changing procedure is cataract surgery. As cataracts develop, the natural lens becomes cloudy, blocking light from reaching the retina. In the past, cataracts often meant permanent vision loss. Today, cataract surgery is one of the safest and most successful procedures in modern medicine. During surgery, the cloudy lens is carefully removed. In its place, surgeons insert a clear artificial lens. This new lens restores clarity, brightness, and contrast, often better than before. Once the surgery is complete, the healing process begins. The eye recovers quickly, inflammation decreases, vision improves steadily over the following days and weeks. Many patients describe the moment they see clearly again as unforgettable. Colors appear brighter, edges sharper, the world feels new. Modern eye surgery is the result of decades of scientific progress. It combines biology, physics, engineering, and medical expertise. And it has restored sight to millions of people around the world. Your eyes are more than just organs. They connect you to loved ones. They allow you to learn, explore, and experience life. And now, you know what truly happens inside your eye. A hidden system of precision and balance. A place where science protects one of our most valuable senses. This is the power of modern eye surgery. And this is the science behind clear vision.